Hey guys, Marisa at KitchenTableStamper.com. I am so excited to share with you what's cooking in the Kitchen Table Stamper online classroom for October. In October, I've got 2 classes available. The Many Blessings Pizza Box class is the one I'd like to introduce you to right now. So there's 2 ways to take the Many Blessings Pizza Box class. You can take it with the kit or online only. With the kit, you'll receive the Many Blessings Photo Polymer Stamp Set. It's a set of 13 stamps that'll take you through, straight through fall and into Christmas. You'll also receive the kit of your choice, either fall or Christmas, to make your pizza box, and it's $33 with $8 shipping. The kits include the pizza box, cards, cut and scored for you, designer series paper, cut and ready. All of your layers are die cut. Your sentiment tags are punched. Everything's ready for you to just stamp, assemble, and enjoy. Now that's option number 1 with product. It's $33, $8 priority shipping. Now option 2 with product is both kits. Say you can't decide between fall or Christmas, that's okay. For an additional $10, I will send both kits. So you'll have the Christmas box and the fall box all ready to go. Now the pizza box includes 6 little note cards. They're 3x3 cards, 6 envelopes that store nicely in the bottom of the box. And the cards all feature the Regal 6x6 designer series paper. So your colors might vary slightly from my samples, but they will be these gorgeous Regal colors. Okay, so here is a little sneak peek at the cards in the fall box envelopes. And 6 little cards. $33 for 1 kit in the stamp set, $43 for 2 kits in the stamp set. Now say that you're a demonstrator, or you have a demonstrator, or you don't live in the US and I can't be your demonstrator. The Many Blessings Pizza Box class is also available online only. Now both options with product or online include the online classroom, where you'll find full color project sheets, photos, measurements, step-by-step instructions, and supply lists, as well as video tutorials for the project. All right, you guys, registration is open now through the 18th, and you can learn more at KitchenTableStamper.com/online classroom. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the online classroom.